Pair it with any of your brightly colored jeans. It's a fresh take on denim on denim. Tuck it into a polka dot skirt. Dots and chambray are a match made in heaven. Don't be afraid to wear denim on denim. My favorite way to do it is to mix light and dark washes instead of just one wash, but either work. Instead of a cardigan, wear a chambray shirt over your dress. Keep things simple and tuck it into a black skater skirt, cinch the look with a cute belt. Chambray shirts look amazing with white jeans. To keep it from being too bland, add lots of bold accessories. Use it as a cover-up at the beach. Perfect for windy days. Copy this cut infographic and pair your chambray shirt with striped shorts or a flowy skirt. Tie the bottom and wear it over a dress to put a new spin on it. I love this idea so much. Make your favorite sequin skirt work for the day by tucking your chambray shirt into it. On chillier days, wear it under a blazer for a professional look. Choose any of these looks for a perfect spring outfit. Layer your denim shirt under your favorite sweater. Make a crop top work for colder days by putting it over a chambray shirt. This is also a great way to incorporate crop tops into your wardrobe without exposing your stomach. Wear it open or buttoned with a cute pair of floral jeans. Tie it over a maxi skirt for a super cute look. Balance out the femininity of a full or pleated skirt by pairing it with a casual chambray shirt. Wear it over leather pants for a fun mix of fabric. A leopard scarf also looks amazing with a denim shirt. Button it all the way to the top, then add a large statement necklace over it. When all else fails, check out these amazing ideas as a basic guide.